If you're looking for great specialty candles, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Candle by the Hour. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Comenzar. Number 3. For more info about this great specialty candles, just click this circle. Number 4, by Zuker. Number 5, by Enpornk. And online deals, just click this circle. And online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.